Good morning, my name is Ramdy. Welcome to Ramdy's channel. Yeah, I just found out that Caldina, there's quite a bit of oil. Look at that. Rocker cover need to change. These are actually not good for the spark. This was all the way up to here, the oil. Look at this. You'll be surprised how bad it is. So I'm taking it out. Look at that. It's not supposed to be like that. So yeah, we're gonna fix that rocker cover change. No one's open today, so I'll do it. Ooh, look at that! Wow, oozy. Yeah, so it's not supposed to be like that. That's totally bad, bro. No wonder it's running a bit rough. I did a throttle clean. If you're gonna clean that, you need to have a throttle cleaner so you don't damage any sensors. So get a Worth air intake throttle cleaner, get that, give it a spray. So big job today. Rocker cover, throttle body, you have to take it out. What else? And it should be done. Might as well change the spark plug. This is no good anymore. And put a new rocket cover gasket on it. So I show you. So just make sure you block everything up. Nothing falls in, especially the turbo and the intake. So I'm gonna put all these in the car and wait till tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, there's quite a bit to do. The whole spark plug in there is all full of oil. So yeah, see, still full of oil. Took it out. Took it out. Look at that. Wow, this whole spark plug was full of oil. I tell you what. Yeah, time to change for a new one, bro. And clean out all the spark plug leads as well, the electric spark plug leads. And oh, this is not much better. Look at that. Oh god, that's not good, bro. Not good. So yeah, exciting moment, mate. A lot to do. Just to show you how bad it is. That's how bad it is. Look at that. So guys, please service your car. Like rocker cover is quite important. Yeah, this is not gonna work, bro. For the spark plug, no spark, it will be hard to spark out. So yeah. So rocker cover, right? Make sure the wiring are off. This have to disconnect all the clips. There's another one on the bottom there if you wanted to. 4 bolts, 1 2 3 4, take it off. And there's 2 pipe down here, take it off. I think it could be at the back. There's 3 bolts right behind that throttle body, and then 2 here. If you can see, we need to take that out. Yeah, and that's rocker cover off. It's actually quite a big job to do this. It'll take about an hour and something, maybe an hour and maybe less than an hour to put back. Basically time consume on the cleaning side. So hopefully I take the rocker cover out, change the what do you call that, where the coil pack is, the seal, we need to change that, and the actual rocker cover seal. Once you change that, it shouldn't leak for maybe roughly maybe 40 to 50,000 Ks. Just torque them right and you'll be all good. And I'll buy the parts and I'll show you what you need to do. It's more to it than I thought. So we're gonna take all this off just to get the bolt behind the rocker cover. So there's a bolt right in there. This is on the way. So to take that off, 2 bolts, another 2 that is for that sensor here. There's 2 bolts, but yeah, it's almost there, man. 1 more bolt to take off and rocker covers out. Yeah, wish me good luck, man. That's more than what I expected to do on the GT4. Great car to drive, but man, pain in the ass just to do a rocker cover. Not like the old days. So the rocker cover's out. Yes. Yes. It's like biscuit, bro. Wow. Yeah. And that's why it leaked in. So yeah, time to change all these. Oh, like a biscuit. Yeah. Take all that out, clean it out. Yeah, man. Ready to clean. Wish me luck. Genuine Toyota head gasket. Rocker cover gasket, sorry. Perfect fit, no movement, soft. It's supposed to be like that, not hard like, what do you call this? Sounds like a biscuit. Oh, yeah, time for change, mate. Yeah, no more leak. And you gotta put silicone in there as well, if you can, on the corners. All these corners, like silicone, 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 and there's a I think there's a rubber piece there, have a silicone there as well. So yeah, 1 corner, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Gonna put back together now. Yep. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon. So this is Caldina. I have put it all together. Everything's in. All the cooling system. Sorry, I didn't film because that day was raining, so I had to do it really quickly. Air filter. So when you put together, there's a bracket right here. You need to take off. It's right in there. It holds the intercooler. So once you put back everything back, make sure it's tightened. And then yeah, went for a drive, everything's good. It reacts, the torque has got a bit more torque, not like before. There's a delay and then takes off. So now don't have that issue anymore. So next part will be this part, CV and gearbox fluid change. So I'll show you guys how to do that as well. So see, 2 CVs here from Toyota. It's already ready to put in inner and outer. Yep. And that's a gearbox filter. So we're gonna change that, and that's the gasket. We're gonna change that as well. And the turbo, as you can see, the turbo is right next to these pipes. So in the long run, these will deteriorate. So you need to buy new pipes and that. So I got this to prevent that. Yeah. And thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down here. Give us a thumbs up or leave a comment, and I'll get back to you. I'll see you on the next video.